In this video, we're going to be discussing how to mount your Garmin 601-701 to your Garmin Flip, or your MCD Flip, I'm sorry. We have the branding in the design here on the back side. This is to indicate the top side. Top side being when you open your device, your MCD, and you flip it, these letters will be on the back of this side, top side. The flip will come pre-assembled. All this will be pre-assembled to the hinge itself. So all you do is install the 2 screws and mount it to the top of the MCD itself. To attach your GPS to the mount, you can see the 2 areas that are intended to receive the 2 posts for the wrist strap, and you snap in, and there's that. And we'll just demonstrate this again on the actual unit. Snap in, snap in. One last feature of the MCD Flip, it uses the same hinge, and you can adjust the retention, how stiff this opens and closes for you, so that's not just flopping around, and uses a Phillips screwdriver. And it's the same hinge as that's used for the MCD. Thanks.